Mwah. So we just finished Stephanie's makeup and hair. Stephanie is from Miami,
Florida.
And she's doing a sunrise wedding in Yosemite. It's about 4:15 a.m.
Yes.
And I'm just getting ready to leave so she could go get married. And we just put her wedding dress on. It's so pretty. So gorgeous. How was the beauty services?
It was perfect. When I tell you the service was phenomenal, it was phenomenal. And she makes sure that you leave like a bride, like how your bride's supposed to be. So I tell you, you're in great hands. You're in great hands for your makeup and for your hair. So I highly recommend entrusting her to do your big day, because it's your big day. That's something that you'll never forget.
Aww. Oh. And here in Yosemite, we don't have to wear masks, so yay.
So yay.
Yay.
Yes, I was actually worried about that, but no mask.
We had a lovely morning
Yes,
together.
we did. Yes, we
and
did.
now she's going to go hike a mountain to go take pictures at the top of the mountain.
Yes.
At sunrise.
At sunrise.
So you got to get to hiking.
Yes, we got to get to hiking.
Okay, so we'll let you go. Bye.
Bye, everyone.
You did amazing.
Thank you so much.
You did so well.
I can't wait to see your work. I'm so excited.
Perfect. Well, me too. I can't wait to see it too.
I know, I can't wait.
Right.
It's going to be great. It's going to be
Oh
great.
my gosh. This dress is... Mom did a good job.
Mom did a good job.
Heck yeah. Her
did a
mom
good
picked
job.
out the dress, you guys.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.